Hello, good day to you all. Welcome to Ima's Confectionery. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm still your host, Mary Ann Naj. In today's program, we are going to do condensed milk. How can you do condensed milk at home? You like this condensed milk? You will want to do them. You don't need to buy. You produce this in your home, in your kitchen. So I hope you are seeing this condensed milk. This is what we are going to do. So let's get into the kitchen and get started. But before that, I would like to say to all my viewers, including my new viewers, if today is your first time of seeing our video, you are welcome. Welcome to Ima's Confectionery. Welcome to our kitchen. Here we do everything concerning kitchen stuff. Is it baking? Is it dessert? Is it any kind of food? Nigerian food, Italian food. We do them here. So if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, feel free to subscribe to us. Just click on that subscribe button and also like our videos. When you subscribe, more videos are on your way. So keep subscribing and let's get started. So guys, in doing condensed milk, what we need is just 3 ingredients in doing this, and we need half cup of sugar. We also need 1/4 teaspoon of our baking powder. Then we need our whole milk, 750 ml of this whole milk. This is the type of milk we need for it. It's a whole milk. So for us to get the 750 ml, we are going to use 1/2 of this cup here to measure our milk. So let's get started. Here is a 1/2 of this cup, which is 750 ml. We are going to add our half cup of sugar. We'll continue stirring until it gets thick. We'll keep on stirring until it gets thicker and thicker. When it gets thicker, then we will reduce the heat. But for now, we'll keep stirring. As you can see, our milk is reducing from its former size. So continue stirring. I use this spoon so that it will not get burnt. After I continuously stir. This will help it not to get burnt. So right now we are going to add in our baking powder. Our 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and continue stirring. Baking soda. Continue stirring. So we'll off the heat now and allow it to cook. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our video, what we did, how to make this condensed milk, and I hope you learned something. Let's see. Wow, no difference with the ones I used to buy. Just all taste, it tastes the same thing. All you need is just these three ingredients I used: your milk, your sugar, and your baking soda. You know, when you do this, I believe, I tell you, you will not spend money again in buying some certain things at home. So I hope this video inspired you, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're yet to subscribe, and if you have subscribed, don't forget to give us some thumbs up, and also share our videos. Share to your friends and family. They will also need it, especially in this hard time. So this is the time. You don't need to buy some things. You do produce these things in your kitchen. So thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching, and do have a wonderful and glorious day. See you on my next video. Bye bye.